Hello everyone, it's Christmas time and I'm back with easy simple DIY cards. Here's the first one with large Christmas tree and the second one with cute little Christmas trees all over on the front. As you can see, isn't cute? And for the final one, it has a large Christmas tree in between. I don't know if you can see clearly, but indeed it's beautiful. If you'll see here, you can see. So today I'll be telling you how to make all these. So let's start. The things you'll be needing are, so for the first one we'll be cutting out these small little triangles, as you can see, or one single large triangle. You can decide the arrangement beforehand, how you'll be placing them. Start by folding it in a zigzag manner, as you can see how I am doing. And now just unfold it and you can see it's beginning to look like a Christmas tree. So we'll be doing the same with all the others. And now we are all done and we'll be inserting a toothpick. Initially it might be hard if the paper is thick, but try using a needle as I did. Just leave out the tip out of the toothpick and it's all done. We'll doing the similar for all the others. And now it's all done and all that's left is to stick them on the paper in the arrangement you like. I like this one, or you can also try sticking a large single tree in between and writing some greeting on the bottom like I'll be doing. Apply glue only on the exposed outward edges on the back. So let's quickly finish sticking them on the paper. So now I'll be adding some little star decoration on the trees to make it look more beautiful. Just apply them here and there in a random arrangement. You can also try adding some glitter if you like. So now I'll try writing some text in fox calligraphy. Just try writing anything you like. Aren't these little Christmas trees cute? Perfect for a Christmas tree greeting. So now it's time for card number 2. For this one, you'll be needing a green rectangle paper sheet and you'll be folding it in a similar zigzag manner as you did for the earlier one. Now just unfold it and try pinching it on the top, and you'll be applying a little glue to stick it at the top to form it like a Christmas tree. As you can see, you can try applying some glue which easily sticks. I applied Fevicol, so it took a little bit of time. And now apply Fevicol on the back and the outward edges to stick it on the paper, as you can see how I am doing. Just stick it in the middle to leave a little space at the bottom where we will write a greeting. It might take a little bit of time to stick, as you can see, but now you can try adding some little decorations, some glitter or some stars, as how I am doing. This will make it look pretty, and you can add a large star at the top, and this will make it look like a perfect Christmas tree. So let's finish this quickly. And here goes a big star at the top. So now it looks so cute and pretty, perfect for giving a friend on Christmas. Now it's time for card number 3. For this you will be needing green paper sheets, thin paper sheets, each smaller than the other by 2 to 3 centimeters. As you can see, I've got here 6 to 7. You can take as much depending on the size of your paper, or as much as you want to add. Just fold them similarly in a zigzag manner as we did for the earlier ones, and just fold it in two. This will make a fan shape, half fan shape. And this, as you can see, we are sticking them in the middle so that it makes a half fan shape. So let's quickly finish sticking them in the middle. after sticking, so all of them will be looking like this. And now we'll be sticking them onto the paper with the largest one at the bottom and the smallest one at the top. Just place the glue on each side and stick them like this, as you can see, and this will form a fan shape, and gradually it will form the shape of a Christmas tree. And I have added a large star at the top, and I'll be decorating it later with some glitter and tiny little stars. So look how pretty it is, perfect for giving friends on Christmas. So if you like such videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe and spread some Christmas cheers and this video too. Thank you.